Hi everyone and welcome. Today's video I'm gonna show you how can you turn on pairing mode on Harman Kardon Citation 300 and pair it with your Android phone. Let's get started. At first we have to scroll down to main and we have to click Bluetooth. Now as you can see it's entering your pairing mode. So now we have to scroll down on our phone, hold our finger on Bluetooth and wait a moment. As you can see now is HardReset speaker. Is this one over there. We have to click on it, allow and click pair. That's it for today. Like and subscribe for more these types of videos. Hope it helps. Goodbye.